everyone, welcome back to Sowkya Vision. Today we are going to discuss the structure of skeletal muscle. Yes, the skeletal muscle is made by what? Myocytes, cells of muscle. Yes, known as muscle fibers. Yes, the muscle is covered by a connective tissue known as epimysium. Yes, the complete muscle is covered by a connective tissue known as epimysium, whereas the fascicles of muscle fibers covered by perimysium. Yes, muscle is covered by epimysium, whereas fasciculi are covered by perimysium, and muscle fiber is completely covered by endomysium. Yes, muscle fiber is covered by endomysium. Now let's see muscle fiber. The muscle fiber is a cylindrical in shape. Muscle fiber is long cylindrical in shape, which is attached to tough cord of connective tissue known as tendon. Yes, it is attached to the tendon, whereas tendon in turn is attached to bone. Yes, muscle fiber is a cylindrical shape attached to the tendon, whereas tendon in turn is connected to bone. Now, it is covered by sarcolemma. It is covered by sarcolemma that is present. That is lined endomysium. As I said, the muscle fiber is covered by endomysium. Above that, it is covered by sarcolemma. So, the cytoplasm, the membrane of the muscle fiber is sarcolemma, and the cytoplasm of the muscle fiber is sarcoplasm. Sarcolemma for the membrane, sarcoplasm for the cytoplasm. Yes. Now, myofibril. Let's see myofibril. The myofibril run through the entire length of the muscle fiber. Yes, the muscle fibers is formed by the myofibril. Yes, it run through the entire length of the muscle fiber. It containing two bands. Yes, the myofibril containing two bands made up of protein. What are they? Light band and dark band. Yes, the muscle myofibril is containing light band and the dark band. Whereas light band is also known as I band. Yes, the light band is also known as I band and dark band is also known as A band. These two are made of proteins. Yes, these two are made of protein. Now let's see light band and the dark band. Light band, it is a isotropic band, hence it is known as I band. It is a isotropic band, whereas dark band is a anisotropic band. It is a anisotropic band. So I band and the A band are alternately presented. Yes, the I and the A band are alternately presented. They show the cross striations. As they are alternately presented, they show cross striations. Yes, cross striations are showed by I and the A band alternately. So the I band containing two portions. The I band is divided into two portions by Z line. Let's see, this is the I portion, I band from here to here, and from here to here, let's see A band. So from here to here, it is a I band, right? So the I band is divided into two portions by a Z line. This is a Z line. Yes, complete from here to here, here it is the I band. From here to here is the A band. So the Z line divides the I band into two portions. So the sarcomere containing the sarcomere is nothing but the portion that is present between two Z lines. Here is again A band, right? From here to here again I band. So again the I band is containing Z line, right? So here is that Z line. So the portion that is present between I to I is known as sarcomere. Yes, this is the sarcomere. Now let's see what is sarcomere. Yes, sarcomere. It is a structural and functional unit of the skeletal muscle. The sarcomere is the structural and the functional unit of the skeletal muscle. It is a basic contractile unit of the muscle which is responsible for the contraction of the muscle. It extends between Z line. As I said, it extends from one Z line to another Z line of the I bands. So the middle of A band has light area known as H zone. As we said, sorry, this is the sarcomere, right? This is the sarcomere. This is a one A band. This is the another A band. So A band anisotropic containing a light zone from here to here. Let's say this is the light zone. That is a H zone. So the H zone containing M line, middle line. The A band containing H zone, in which we have middle line. Yes. So here we see the sarcomere that extends between two Z lines of the myofibril. So the middle of A band containing a light area known as H zone, which contain M line. Yes, if this is the A band, I band, and here again I band. So the middle zone of the A band containing H zone, of which the middle one is the middle line, M line we see. Yes. And now let's see the actin and the myosin filaments. Actin filament, it is a thin filament. Actin filament is a thin filament, and it is present either side of the Z line. Yes, as I said, actin filament is in the middle, it containing Z line. So it is actin filament is containing either side of the Z line. Yes, this is the actin filament. This is the actin filament. So it is also known as I band, as I said. Myosin filament, it is a thick filament, so it is known as anisoband, anisotropic band, A band. The projections are cross bridges, enlarge of myosin head. Yes, the cross bridges, nothing enlarged. These enlarged part is known as heads of myosin filament. Yes, that myosin filament are attached to the actin filament. Yes, they attach themselves to the actin filament during the contraction moment. So the head pulls the actin filament during contraction of the muscles. Yes, so the myosin filament containing myosin head. So that head attached go and bind with the actin filament during the muscle contraction and pulls the actin filament. That is known as sliding movement. Yes, now let's see the contractile protein of muscle. So there are two contractile protein, that are myosin filament and actin filament. Myosin filament is made of myosin molecule, whereas actin filament is made of actin, troponin and tropomyosin. It is made of actin, tropomyosin and troponin. They are the contractile proteins. Myosin is made of myosin molecule, whereas actin filament containing actin, tropomyosin, troponin. These are the contractile proteins. Now let's see the myosin molecule. Each myosin filament is made of 200 myosin molecules. Each myosin filament is made of 200 myosin molecule. Each myosin molecule containing what? 6 polypeptides, made of 6 polypeptides containing 2 heavy chains and 4 light chains. Yes, containing 2 heavy chains and 4 light chains. The myosin molecule is made of 2 myosin molecules. Myosin filament is made of 200 myosin molecules made of 6 polypeptides. What are they? They containing 4 heavy chains and 2 heavy chains and the 4 light chains. Now let's see the myosin. Now two portions. One is the tail portion, one is the head portion. So tail portion is 2 heavy chains twist around each other. Is the tail portion containing two heavy chains twisting around each other, whereas head portion, the head chain and the light chain attached. Is the head containing 2 heavy chains as well as the light chains, whereas tail containing 2 heavy chains twisted around each other. Yes, attachment, it containing 2 attachment sites. For one is for the actin filament, one is for the ATP molecule. Yes, the head containing 2 attachment sites. One is the actin filament, one is the ATP molecule. One is for the ATP molecule. Now let's see the ATP molecule. It is a major constituent of the actin filament. As we said, the actin filament is made up of actin, tropomyosin and the tropin. The actin molecule is a major constituent of that. It contains what? It is made of F-actin. F-actin, it is nothing but it is a polymer of G-actin. Yes. So it contains the active site. F-actin containing active site at which the myosin head get attached and pulls it during contraction. that is sliding movement. So another protein is tropomyosin. There are 40 to 60 tropomyosin present along the actin filament. Yes, these are present along the actin filament that cover the active site of F actin molecule that prevents the contraction by covering the masking of F actin. It prevents the contraction. And the last one is troponin. Troponin containing three subunits. What are they? Troponin I, troponin T, troponin C for F-actin, tropomyosin and calcium ions. Yes, this is the complete discussion of structure of skeletal muscle. If you have any doubt, please do comment in the comment section. Like the video, share the video to your friends, subscribe to the channel.